Howdy folks, and another visit to Breckenridge. Instead of visiting a slowly decaying metaphor for the town's historic mining identity, I decided to check out an annual event that serves as a metaphor for the town's current population. International, ephemeral, and here mostly for the snow. Now predominantly a tourist and ski town, Breckenridge serves as a perfect venue for the International Snow Sculpture Championships. Having held the event since 1990, every year during summer, the organizing committee sends out 250 invitations, and of those that send back entries, the committee invites just 12 to compete. Upon the start of the competition, the teams are given 5 days in which they use hand tools to liberate their creations. The snow, made by the ski resort, and made to specifications conducive to sculpture, is packed into 10-foot square and 12-foot tall forms, resulting in the 25-ton blocks the artists work with. The sculpting period is open to the public to watch, but I don't have any footage because I was at work, so sorry about that. Anyway, it is free to watch and visit, but the Saturday right after the sculpting is done is extra busy and requires a reservation. Following that, it's open reservation free for the remainder of the event, but even Monday, as you can see here, was pretty busy. Due to the number of people, I pretty much abandoned all attempts to make some artistic attempts at photography, save a few shots from the Polaroid, which some I liked, some I didn't, and several I straight up wasted. The judging results in gold, silver, and bronze medals, with the winners as follows. Gold went to Team Mexico and their sculpture, The Beggar. Silver went to Team Mongolia and their sculpture, Mother Earth. And bronze went to Team Germany-Bavaria with their sculpture, Float. The artist's choice was a tie between Team Mexico and Germany-Bavaria, and the people's choice went to Team Mexico's The Beggar. My personal favorites were Lithuania's The Curtain of Snow is a Gift from the High, Team Mongolia, and what is clearly Tars from Interstellar. The other sculptures in no particular order were Harmony Bonds by Team Denmark, Annus Mirabilis by Team Wisconsin, Under Pressure from Team Germany Thiel, Home Garden is Ever Gone by Team China, The Dance of the Wind by Team Ecuador, Temporal Meltdown by Team India, Dreaming Child by Team Korea, Opening Up from Team Breckenridge, and the final unofficial entry, Toyota by Toyota. The event is right in the middle of town, and parking can range anywhere from $17 if you want to be reasonably close, or free if you are cheap and don't mind a bit of a walk. And being cheap, that's what I did. Parking at the ice rink is free and roughly a 20-minute walk to the sculptures. I was particularly impressed with the city's ability to shovel their ice onto the sidewalk from the street. If you don't want to walk, there are what I'm pretty sure are free shuttles around town as well, but I couldn't tell you how often they run or how they work, but they're there if that's something for you. A few other perks of parking at the ice rink: for a fee, you can park overnight if the van life thing is your shtick, and it's also the starting point for the walk to the stroll thing if you want a bonus thing to check out. Personally, I don't know that a dedicated trip to Breckenridge just to check out the sculptures is worth it, especially depending on where you live, of course, but if you're in town at the tail end of January anyway for a ski trip and or other touristy things, it would definitely be worth adding to the itinerary. My personal interests would lie more with the process than the finished product, so coming back every day to see the progress would hold the most appeal to me, but to each their own. I'm not your dad. Anyway, there are links in the description with more info, and that's about all I have for you today. I'll see you for the next one.